what we're going to do is we're going to write and we're going to test our general rules. So if I've got this table, these values for x and these values for y, we just learned about the exponential functions and how to write general rules for exponential functions. So let's take a look at this. Let's see what's happening here. The difference here is 12.5. And the difference here is 6.25. And the difference between 6.25 and 3.125 is 3.125. And so what I notice each time is it's getting divided by 2. Now this is different from the video because the video had multiplied by 2. And this is going to be divided by 2. So it's going to be something, and it's 2 as our base. As we learned in the video, the base was 3. Our base is going to be 2 this time, and divided by 2 means it's going to be negative x. Another way to write that would be something is being divided by 2 to the power of x. In order to figure out what that is, we need to find when x is 0. We need to figure out what is this going to be when x is 0. And let's think about that. If x is 0, what's going to happen? It was divided by 2, divided by 2. What was divided by 2 to give me 25? And the answer is 50. So in this case, the general rule for this table is 50 divided by 2 to the power of x. Okay, so now we're going to test our general rule. So here's our general rule. Now we're going to use a point or two, maybe 2 points from the table to test this general rule. So I'm just going to go ahead and use first this point. So the general rule is saying when y equals 6.25, 50, all right, so I'm just substituting values in here, over 2, x should be 3. And you can also think about it the other way around. When x is 3, y should be 6.25. So let's test that out. So 6.25 and 2 times 2 times 2 is just 8. So if you type that in your calculator, 50 divided by 8, that gives us 6.25. So I've just tested my general rule using a value from my table. Now I know I've got the right general rule. So try again, try to test this value with x equals 4 and y equals 3.125.